Hi everyone and welcome to Science with Rose. I'll be going through the 921 curriculum and I hope you really enjoy and learn from this experience. Today's topic is atoms, formulae and equations. Elements are made up of atoms that are all the same. In other words, elements are made up of one type of atom only. For example, copper is made up of only copper atoms and carbon is made up of only carbon atoms. Whereas compounds are made from atoms of different elements. For example, NaCl or salt has two different atoms, one of Na and one of Cl. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms join together. Key examples include the oxygen molecule, which has two oxygen atoms, and the H2O molecule, which has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. It's important to note all compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. For example, oxygen is a molecule because it is made up of two atoms of oxygen, but it is not a compound because the atoms are of the same element. You can determine the formulae of a compound using a periodic table. For example, for lithium fluoride, lithium is in group 1 and fluoride is in group 7. Lithium needs to lose an electron and fluoride needs to gain one electron to be stable. Therefore, the ratio is 1 to 1. Therefore, the formula will be 1 atom of lithium and 1 atom of fluoride. The same principle can be applied to calcium fluoride. Calcium is in group 2 and fluoride is in group 7. Calcium needs to lose 2 electrons, therefore 2 fluoride atoms will be required as each atom will gain 1 electron to be stable. Therefore the ratio is 1 to 2. Therefore the formula will be 1 calcium atom and 2 fluorine atoms. In a balanced equation, there are the same number of atoms at each side. For example, the formula below is not balanced as it has 1 atom of copper and 2 atoms of oxygen on the left-hand side, and 1 atom of copper and only 1 atom of oxygen at the right-hand side. To make the equation equal, we need to adjust the number of atoms at each side. Therefore, if we put 2 atoms at the right-hand side, we now have 2 copper atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. However, that leaves copper atoms at the left-hand side unbalanced. Therefore, if you put 2 atoms at the left-hand side in front of copper, we finally have an equal number of atoms at each side. Pause the video and try to answer these questions to test your knowledge. Here are the answers. Check if you have answered the questions correctly. Thanks for watching Science with Rose. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe in the link below.
Created using Powtoon.